What's going on?
Hey! Hey, nice to meet you.
Selena Gomez. She's lucky she got to meet him.
Thanks for being so sweet to me. Really sweet to me.
He's the dude from Transformers. I love him because he's in Transformers.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Oh, good. Nice to meet you.
Oh my gosh, he's so handsome. Now he thinks I'm crazy, so I'm sorry.
Wait, I thought she was dating Justin Bieber. And she's that excited to see Shia LaBeouf?
That he likes it. Thank you.
Question time!
So who was that girl?
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez.
My sister's favorite actress.
Well, at first I'm like, who is this girl? And it kind of shocked me how I didn't find out because those are big letters at the bottom of the screen saying Selena Gomez.
So do you know who that girl was?
No.
Selena Gomez?
No.
And what was happening in the video?
Her dress was falling off.
She met Shia LaBeouf. I'm not sure who he is.
And she thought he was handsome.
Ah, it's Shia LaBeouf. Hug me.
How would you describe how Selena was acting in the video?
All shy.
She was embarrassed.
She was all nervous and excited at the same time. Like she was gonna...
And how was Shia acting towards her?
calm. Very nicely.
Smooth talking her.
Jerky, like, oh, hey. Like, eh.
He knew exactly what he was doing. It was his home court.
What could she have maybe done differently?
Help prevent her dress from falling off.
That really bothered you.
Yes, but it also amused me.
What would you have done if you met Shia LaBeouf?
I'm like, hey, you wanna be friends?
I would have screamed, I love Shia LaBeouf. Okay, I'm gonna walk in and you're gonna be Shia LaBeouf, okay?
Oh, hey. Hey, you're really sweet to me. You're really sweet to me.
What celebrity would you freak out the most if you got to meet them?
Lady Gaga.
Megan Fox.
Megan Fox and that other girl who replaced Megan Fox in the movie.
Emma Stone. Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp.
Johnny Depp.
Vin Diesel.
James O'Day. He's in the TV show Psych.
The voice of Ash Ketchum in Pokemon.
What is your opinion of Selena Gomez?
She's the last sane Disney star.
She's a good girl, you know? She's not like Miley Cyrus, all smoking pot all the time.
Selena Gomez is very inspirational.
She's a really good singer and actress.
I do not like her.
Pretty girly.
We went to see one of the filmings of Wizards of Waverly Place, and I got to meet Selena Gomez.
Was she nice?
Yeah, she was really nice.
What is Selena Gomez most known for?
Wizards of Waverly Place. Wizards of Waverly Place.
Being on Barney.
No, I'm joking. Wizards of Waverly Place.
Do you ever watch The Wizards of Waverly Place?
Yeah.
I used to. Not anymore. I used to watch it when I was younger.
I still do. It's a pretty cool show. That's only when my sister comes in my room and bothers me when I'm on the computer.
Yeah, but the episodes are gonna end.
Are you sad about that?
Kind of.
Is there any like messages in it? Like, does it teach you anything?
Not at all. No, it's just magic and comedy.
I just like watching it.
They just want kids to laugh, I guess. They're not trying to teach anybody.
What do you think about Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez dating?
I don't really care what they do.
There's nothing to say. Even I think that she could do much better than that.
If it's not hurting me, it's cool with me.
It's weird because they're not even alike. She's taller and Justin Bieber is little.
The girls shouldn't be taller than boys that they date?
No.
What do you think Justin Bieber thinks when he sees a video like this?
He's like, oh no you didn't!
He's mad. He's probably gonna break up.
Like, what were you doing with that guy? You get no dessert for tonight.
I don't know, he might get a little jealous. He might be a little cool about it because he gets all these other girls.
Who wins in a fight, Shia LaBeouf or Justin Bieber?
Shia LaBeouf. Because Shia LaBeouf has, like, Transformer friends and Justin Bieber has backup dancers.
So watching this video, did it make you feel differently about her?
No.
Nah, this might not be real. They could be just acting for the camera.
It made me kind of feel like she was a regular person.
She's just a regular person like everybody else.
Shows that like stars are normal people.
That makes me think that she's not just a person that's like, give me a glass of water! Bosses people around, thinks they're all so perfect. I can tell Lindsay Lohan thinks she's perfect. Oh my god, get off the drugs, lady.
Thanks for watching.
Let me know what video or topic I should watch next.
If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Bye.
Bye! Everyone tweet Selena Gomez to see this. Come on, we can do it! If we just work together, we can do it!